tools are fundamentally changing how we approach drywall repair, making the entire process significantly more efficient. In the past, repairing even a small hole was a multi-day ordeal involving messy, imprecise methods. Today, innovation has streamlined every step, from cutting to finishing. Consider the initial cut for a patch. An old-fashioned jab saw often created a rough opening, tearing the paper and generating a cloud of dust. Now, an oscillating multi-tool equipped with a plunge-cut blade creates a perfectly clean and square hole in seconds. This precision means the new piece of drywall fits flawlessly, requiring less compound to fill gaps. The surrounding wall remains undamaged, and dust is minimized from the very start. For the patch itself, traditional methods required cutting mesh or paper tape and embedding it in a layer of mud. This was a slow, skill-intensive step. Modern self-adhesive patches, available in various sizes, completely eliminate this. You simply peel the backing and stick it over the hole, creating an instant, strong, and ready-to-mud surface. This single product can save an enormous amount of time and frustration for beginners. The application of joint compound has also seen major advancements. Previously, you had to use all-purpose compound that could take 24 hours to dry between coats. A simple 3-coat repair would stretch over 3 days. Today, quick-setting compounds, often called hot mud, cure through a chemical reaction in as little as 20 minutes. This allows a skilled user to apply all necessary coats and finish the repair in a single afternoon, a massive leap in efficiency. For larger repairs or professional jobs, automatic taping tools like bazookas apply tape and mud simultaneously, doing in minutes what would take hours by hand. The final, most dreaded step has always been sanding. The fine white dust would cover everything in the room, requiring extensive prep and cleanup. The new generation of dust-free sanders has solved this problem. These tools connect directly to a shop vacuum, capturing up to 99% of the dust as it's created. This not only saves hours of cleanup time but also creates a much healthier work environment. It transforms sanding from a house-covering mess into a clean, contained task. These tools, from precise cutters and stick-on patches to fast-curing mud and dustless sanders, work together to reduce labor, minimize mess, and shorten project timelines dramatically. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more home improvement tips.